Oh, 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 oh. In the choir of the morning light, I choose the good that hides from sight, not for praise or fleeting fame, but love that softly breathes your name. You see the things no eyes can see, a gentle love surrounding me. When I grow small, your light will rise, and hidden deeds turn into skies. Within the secret place I call, your love becomes my all in all. You answer not with worldly pain, but with love that stays the same. You see the things no eyes can see, and in your light I'm finally free. Every quiet act, though small to me, becomes a song in eternity. Pray to your Father who is in secret, and your Father who sees in secret will reward you. Matthew 6.